Hello. Today I'm going to be introducing you to programming in Microsoft Excel. We're going to make a program today where it's going to say hello world. It's going to print that out. So let's go right into it. Okay, so what you want to do, you're going to want to unlock the developer tab. Uh, that's where we will be using the controls. So just gonna go ahead and click up here at this customize quick access toolbar, and then we're going to select more commands, and then we're going to click up here popular, and then we're going to check this checkbox here for a show developer tab in the ribbon. Go ahead and hit OK. And then now the developer tab is available. So we can go ahead and click that. And it's going to show us all the properties that we can use. Microsoft Excel uses the programming language for Visual Basic for applications. People also refer to it as VBA. So that's what this is here. It mentions Visual Basic. So what we're going to do in this exercise is we're going to use a command box. So in order to bring out the command box tool, we're just going to click Insert here. And then we'll see the form controls. This right here is the button. So it's like a command box you can use. So I'm going to go ahead and select that. And then you click to create the size of the box that you want. Make it like about that much. Then the window will pop up saying to whether you'd like to assign a macro. So sometimes you might have one that you've already created a long time ago that you saved, which is great. You don't have to learn how to do that whole code again once you've saved it somewhere else on another workbook. But in this exercise, we're going to make one from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead with new. And then it's going to bring up this box where we can go ahead and maximize it so we can take a better look. So it's going to take you directly to the button's code. The name of it, you'll see whatever you had named is going to appear up here right after sub and end sub. So everything that we're going to be programming is going to be between sub and end sub. End sub is when everything is complete. You don't want to add anything after that because it causes errors. So what we're going to do for hello world, we're going to make a message box. So which is going to type in here MSGBOX and put in quotations hello world. I'm going to put it with exclamation mark for enthusiasm. And the quotation marks. Okay. And then we could go ahead and exit from here. Go ahead and click the X here. Oh, sorry. Actually, just close the whole thing from here. And we can click away, and then go ahead and click the button, and then there you go. It says Hello World. Okay. There's another way too. If you wanted to have Hello World show up here inside of the Excel sheet, we can go ahead and edit the code. So in order to do that, we're going to right click the button here, and then you're going to go to assign macro. And since we've already made that code for that button, you just want to go ahead and hit edit. You don't want to go ahead and click anything else here. And then we could erase this here. And then we could, in order to select any of the information here for where we want the hello world to appear, we're going to do it by the range of the cell. So in this case, we're going to use the first cell. So it's going to be range. And then we use, see the bracket here. I'm going to put in quotations A1, close it, dot value equals hello world. Let's see if that works out. So go ahead and exit the code area again. Click away. And then we're going to click here. And there it goes. It appears in A1. And the reason why, how you find out where you want it to be, is when you click the cell, you'll see up here it says the name of the cell. So the cell is A1. And then if you move down, it's like A2 and so forth. This would be B1. And so you also see the letter 2 that appears up here at the top. C, D. And this is extra. So we can go ahead and edit again. We right-click the button. Go ahead and select the assign macro. Go to edit. And let's say we want to have hello world printed over 99 of the cells in A. So we would just go ahead and edit here, A1, add a colon, and the colon is going to cover like the whole like range. So let's say A99, so it's going to go from A1 to A99. So let's go ahead and see what happens. Go ahead and exit here, and then if we click the button here, and then now we have 99 hello world. So okay, congratulations, you are now a programmer. Apparently there's a lot of things you can do with this. Being able to program, you could have very specific sets of what you want to do. There are very few limitations when you do that, like as opposed to using formulas. You're kind of limited to whatever it is that those formulas will allow. But when you go into Visual Basic for applications, you could do a whole lot. You could start to even automate certain tasks, because you could even tell the mouse to move, a certain area in the X and Y coordinates. But anyway, thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed that, and that you'll learn to do some cool stuff. Alright, thank you.